So has violence really declined? Because I'm sure that as soon as you switch on the news, you'll hear about some sort of violent activity or the other. And also, there has been numerous evidences in the past decade. But surprisingly, yes, violence has declined. Well, if we take a look into Steven Pinker's book, The Better Angels of Nature, we are currently living in the most peaceful era ever. But how does that even make sense? Let me explain. The transition from hunting and gathering to a civilized state reduced violent deaths from 15% to 3%. So, what's the reason? With the establishment of a government, the state will try to ensure that citizens don't kill each other. But is this the only reason? No. So, let's dive into some other aspects as well to get a better understanding. The growth in commerce, along with the flourishing economies, have led to fewer people being involved in violence. Majority of the nations have reduced their list of capital crimes to merely murder and treason. Also, countries have abolished blood sports, slavery, and fearful forms of torture like burning and sawing in half. Political scientists now point to the growth of democracy and trade, which reduces the likelihood of a conflict. I'm sure that the two world wars have taught us the value of human life over national pride. And as a matter of fact, civil war tends to kill fewer people than war between states. Before concluding, I would like to showcase some figures which I have taken from the Wall Street Journal. Between the late Middle Ages and the 20th century, European countries saw a 10 to 50 fold decline in their rates of homicide. Direct deaths from political violence, including war, terrorism, and genocide, doesn't even exceed 1%, even if we account for unrecorded deaths and victims of war caused disease and famine. With this, I hope that I was able to convince you in believing that there has been a drop in violence through human history. But we still have a long way to go because I believe that the world is not as peaceful as it can be. Thank you.